Good morning students. Today we will do the use of determinants in coordinate geometry. Determinants, many things we have done, properties we have done, there how to use the properties to prove and so that type questions also we done. And now today we will do the use of determinant in the coordinate geometry. We can use determinants in geometry also. Here we will use determinant to find the area of triangle and to find the equation of line. To find the area and to find the equation of line, that is the main part will be. Here triangle will be given to you and you have to find the area, and equation of line, a line will be given to you and you have to find the equation of this line. So these type questions we will do the area of triangle. How we can find the area of triangle when vertices are given? These type questions we already did in 10th standard also, but in 10th there one formula is given to you. In lower classes we done the area of triangle by 1 upon 2 base into height. That formula we know and we find, but here the vertices will be given to you and you have to find the area of triangle. So and now we will use the determinant. Okay, so how we can use this formula? Look here, what is the formula will be? Area of triangle we will do. Let vertices of triangle ABC are A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. So this is triangle given to you. Vertices A, B and C are given to you and you have to find the area of this triangle. Then in the form of determinant, area of triangle will be 1 upon 2 determinant. First row will be x1 y1 1, x2 y, second row is x2 y2 and 1, third row is x3 y3 1, and that determinant you will solve, that you will get your answer. Okay, and look here, this x1 y1 we use here x1 y1, x2 y2 we use here x2 y2, and x3 y3 we use here x3 y3, and we write 1 1 1. This is the extra we will write here, and then you expand this, you will get your answer. Will be that area is a positive quantity. Area is what is a positive quantity, so we take the absolute value of determinant. Sometime determinant value we get negative, so you will not consider a negative, you will take modulus and find the positive. If area is given and area is given to you, then take both the negative and positive value of determinant for calculation. And in question if you are given to you area and you have to find the value of k or some unknown value you have to find, that time you will use a positive and negative, both sign we will use. One question will do, find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 3 8 minus 4 2 and 5 1, and you are what is given, that you write area given vertices of triangle are 3 8 minus 4 2 and 5 1. Here this is first is x1 y1, that we will take 3 and 8, x2 y2 that we take minus 4 and 2, and x3 y3 we will take 5 and 1. Now area of triangle formula we write. Area of triangle is 1 upon 2 determinant. First row is x1 y1 1, second row is x2 y2 1, third row is x3 y3 and 1, and 1 upon 2 as it is, what we write x1 y1, x1 we will y1 we will write 3 and 8 as it is, you can see, and x2 y2 we write minus 4 and 2, x2 y2 minus 4 and 2, x3 y3 we write 5 and 1, so x3 y3 will take 5 and 1. Okay, and then that 1 upon 2 will be outside, and you expand these by first row you can expand this 3 you will write first, and 3 row and column you will not take, then the remaining elements you write here. Then you write minus 8 and minus 8 you write, means this first row and second column you will not write, remaining elements you will write. Then you write 1 and then this first row and third column will not write. And then how to, then after how to open this, you already know, you have to cross multiply, you will get this, you will cross multiply, you will get this, you will cross multiply, you will get this, then you will solve, you will get 372 and minus 14, and then you do half. So 61 by 2 is the area of this triangle we get. Here is given to you that if the area of triangle with vertices minus 3 1 3 0 and 0 k is 9 square unit. Then find the value of k. So here area is already given to you 9 and you have to find the value of k. That time you will take both plus sign and minus sign. Determinant of area of a triangle formed by given points and equal to the given area along with plus minus sign to get the required value of k. Both plus and minus sign we will use here. Now here the vertices are given to you. You can check 1 upon 2 x1 y1 we put here, x2 y2 we put here, x3 y3 we will put here, and then you will write equal to plus minus 9. This you cross multiply here, this 2 you multiply by 9, so you get 18, and this determinant as it is. Now you open this determinant. Look here, this you open by minus 3, that you cross multiply, then by 0, then remaining you have that cross multiply, then 3, that 1 you have, then first row and third column you will not take, so you get this value, and then you solve, you get 3k plus 3k equal to plus minus 18, and then you write 3k and 3k 6k equal to plus minus 18, and then k equal to plus minus 3 you get. Now we'll do condition of co-linearity of 3 points. Co-linearity means 3 points are given to you, A, B and C, and these 3 points are given a line, that is called co-linearity. Co-linearity 3 points are given to you in a line. First point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2, and third point is x3 y3. That also we can do. We can understand here that this is a triangle, and this B point is here, A point is here, and C point is here, and this height become 0. When this height becomes 0, we get this type line. So when height is 0 means what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is 0. So we use the same formula here, that and you can do this. Here 3 points are given to ABC, and here this condition of co-linearity of 3 points. 3 points x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 are collinear if and only if the area of triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. Means you can write this 1 upon 2 starting that you need not to write, because this cross multiply by 0 and you get this value. So you can use this method here also. Okay, all of you, if the point 2 and minus 3, lambda minus 1, 0, 4 are collinear, then find the value of lambda. How we can find the lambda? Look here, these given points are 2 minus 3, lambda minus 1 and 0, 4 are collinear. So area of triangle formed by these 3 points will be 0. So we will use this that x1 y1 is look here, x1 y1 is 2 minus 3, so 2 minus 3 you can use, x2 y2 is lambda and minus 1 you can use, and x3 y3 0 and 4 you can use, then that extra 1 and 0. Now if you want, you can apply the property, or otherwise you can expand also, and you will solve these and you will get the value of lambda. Look here, this apply the property, so you can apply the property, or you can do direct, and then here you will solve, you will get your answer lambda equal to 10 by 7. It is not necessary that you will use the property. You can do without the property also, you will get the answer. Look here, we can find the equation of line through 2 points. Here 2 points are given, x1 y1, and this x1 y1 point, first point is x1 y1 and x2 y2. You can find the line using the determinants. Let x a is x1 y1, b is x2 y2 be 2 given points, then the line joining a b is given by the considering any points p x y on the line. We consider that one point is x and y, okay, and so that the point p a b are the collinear. Here 3 points are p a b. This point we consider P, PAB, and then we can use the determinant. Here we have to find the equation of line joining 2, 3 and minus 1 and 2 using the determinant. So equation of line is given by first point we take general point xy, and second point is x1 y1, and third point is x2. y2. So this x1 y1 we put 2 and 3, and x2 y2 we put -1 and 2. So you will expand these and you will solve, you will get the equation of line, that is x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0.